Hi guys, you may have been wondering for a while how to get your art to show up in Google search in this little shopping tab, or like if you're in just general search, you can see that on top there are some artworks that are popping up here in the ads. So this is mine, and this is mine, and so let's take a look at the shopping tab and how it works, and how, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to get your art to show up here. So one way is to list your art in one of the online galleries who actually promotes their art. I mean, they pay Google for Google ads, and Saatchi art is one of them. So I have my artwork listed here. As you can see, it's very nice. You can check out, and you can also take a look at my profile and go directly to my profile and buy it there. But as far as I'm concerned, I just want to pop up on top, and I don't want to pay for ads either because that I would rather Saatchi art promote themselves and all of their artworks as a merchant on Google and have a much better deal than I could possibly ever get from Google. So let's take a look other ways that you can set up your art to show like this. So there's such thing as Google Merchant. Some of you may use it. So if I go sign in into my Google Merchant account, it will show me my products. So I have 11 active items, and I'm going to show you all my products. So I have 3 products entered manually, so you can click this add products button and it will basically walk you through like a little wizard where you enter all the information about your painting, add an image or images, and when you set up your account, you also enter your business information, basically, what you do business as, your shipping and returns policy, what regions you serve, do you collect tax at checkout, or do you pay it after the sale as a business? And so all of that is basically part of the setup once you set up the account. And so these 3 bottom items are listed as manual items that I entered manually, and these guys all the way on top, the new ones, they are entered through my feed from my website. So I set it up, I connected it to feed into my Google Merchant account here, and it's super easy. I can show you how to do this if that's what you are gonna do with your artworks. So this is my Wix store for Art by Tamara Hergert feed. I have 8 active listings, and if I were to add a new one, here's what I would need to do. So I would go here, add a country that I serve, United States, language English, continue, and in here it's this step is important, scheduled fetch. That's what I want to choose. So click continue here, feed test Wix, and then I would choose the feed frequency. It can be daily, monthly, weekly, and then here in the file URL I would need to paste a link from my Wix website. So here's my Wix website. If you go into marketing and then marketing integrations and Google Merchant feed, you can get to this menu where you grab this link, copy it, go back here, pop it in, create a feed, and then it will be done. So I'm gonna close out of here, go back to my overall overview. So if you see that you have all your listings in here and they're all green, it means that they are in the search. They are showing up in the search. The only thing is that they are not showing up at the top. They're so down below the search results that no matter how specific you get in your search description, it may not float up like in the first search results that you would like it to show up. So that's how Google makes money. They want you to set your account up. You know, it's free, but the catch is you need to pay for ads to be at the top. So the workaround it is to just get your stuff into this kind of online gallery. It doesn't have to be Saatchi art. There are plenty of really good ones. Etsy does it too. So just be mindful of all the options that you have. If it makes financial sense to you to have your stuff feed into your Google Merchant and advertise from there directly, so you get all the profit along with the advertising costs. If it makes sense to you, and if it makes sense for your business, then you know this is how you do it. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope this explains some things about things you've been observing but didn't know how to do. So I'm wishing you the best in today and every day. So bye for now.